video.
Wow, we see this vlogger.
Good morning, world. Drew, what's your hot take?
Sorry?
What's your hot take?
For what?
Anything. Controversial.
Controversial?
Yeah?
I think humans have rights. Who
What's your hot
defines
take,
human?
Cheska? What's your hot take? What's your hot
my
take?
what? Hot take. My hot
Hi,
take.
Aidan. Oh, Aidan is here. Hi, Aidan.
My hot take is that we should have left Aidan.
The podium.
Say hi again.
Hi.
Thank you.
Oh, hot take.
Hot take.
I'm the most handsome person alive. That's what she said
That's
to me.
all.
She said that to me
That's
one
a hot
time.
take.
She said that to me.
I'm not taking that.
She said that. We were out, and then she said, "You know what, Fed? You're the most handsome person alive." And I said, "Oh, that's not true. Tom Cruise is alive."
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Mga iyakin. Mga iyakin. Sino mo yung ano?
And the season champion goes to the University of...
Talent fee? What's my talent fee? I can pay... How much can you pay me? 2K. 2K? 2K. 2K only? Do you know how much I'm worth? You can pay me 2K. You can pay me 2K. Sorry. Sorry na. Sorry. Hindi.
Your face to me.
Ay, see if my manager said it, okay? Is it okay?
Thank you very much. Congratulations
Lower.
to our team champion and
Wow. Pati nga po. Can't you tell? Can't you tell? I'm gay. Mommy.
the University of Santo Tomas.
What the heck?
One, two, three, bam!